the bowling alley. Josh can see a pin by the can. What is it for? Is it a jug? Chip can hit one pin. Josh can hit two. Will Josh win? Chip can hit four. Will he hit them all? The pin will tip. Will Chip win? We'll never know. I'm going to play the book again, and I want you to try to read the words. The bowling alley. Did you get it? Josh can see a pin by the can. Your turn. What is it for? Is it a jug? Your turn. Chip can hit one pin. Your turn. Josh can hit two. Will Josh win? Your turn. This word is for. Chip can hit four. Will he hit them all? The pin will tip. Will Chip win? Nice reading.